This video is about removing the old solid-state drive from the computer. It's just installed with a couple of screws on the side of the case. Pull it out slowly. It's going to have two cables. One is a SATA cable, one is a power cable. So when you pull it out, being careful and aware that there are two cables connected. There's the SATA cable. I did remove the power cable a little bit earlier. Remember to also de-staticize, take the static off of your hands by touching the case. Easy enough to, this is the holder, that's the old solid, and this is the new solid state. Now, a little bit tricky, here's a little trick we're going to show in a second where you can take the same screwdriver. Notice that it's not magnetic. We're going to take a little magnet. This magnet is from some other device. I think it came off of a speaker, and now the screwdriver is magnetic. It just makes it a little bit easier to hold the screw because they're small screws. Aligning the screw, lined it up with the hole, and this is the new solid state drive, and I'm screwing it into the casing, if you will. Alright, this part is going to be complete. Now we're going to reinstall it. We've installed it into the slot. This is the back side of the computer. We've pushed the new solid state drive as far forward as possible. Now the power cable, pay attention to it. It should not be forced in. And I had a slight trouble if you can't figure out the alignment before you get into this place, because it's the space is a little bit small, a little bit tight to get into. I'm double checking. Don't force that cable in there, and I'm reinstalling the SATA cable and any other cable that the power strip was connected to, and put the case back on, and that's it, and we're ready to fire.